So I prepared 250 gram chakra flour, and here I also have half a teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, and tablespoon of powdered milk. I also use 100 grams of butter, 1 onion for the topping, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, 2 tomatoes, 1 egg, mayonnaise mayumi. You can use any brand whatever you like, beef sausage, basil, and oregano. And for the sauce, I have bolognese sauce, mozzarella cheese, and the last warm water. So now we can start cook the pizza. The first step is break the egg, then shake the egg until blend. After that, put the sugar, salt, and powdered milk into a bowl and mix. Then put 4 tablespoons warm water. After that, mix again until blend. Pour half a teaspoon of instant yeast, then mix again with the high speed. Then pour the butter into the bowl and mix again until combined. After the butter is blended, put 250 gram chakra flour. After the dough becomes solid, shape the dough by hand. Then put the dough into a bowl and cover it for an hour. After that, take the dough out from the bowl and shape it. When done, put bolognese sauce on the top and spread the sauce until the dough covered with sauce. Then put the topping and sprinkle the cheese, basil, and oregano. After all done, put it in the oven for 15 minutes. When it's been 15 minutes, take the pizza from the oven. So now the pizza is ready to eat.